कृष्णरूपेण संस्थिता।
within a short while from now আর কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যেই আমরা আমাদের সান্ধ্যকালীন অনুষ্ঠান শুরু করব। যারা আসন গ্রহণ করতে চান আপনাদের অনুরোধ করছি আসন গ্রহণ করুন। আপনাদের আরেকবার জানিয়ে রাখি, today we are expecting more than 3,000 to 4,000 crowd here, so therefore request you to please take care of your safety and security. Please, if you come across with any suspicious person or any object, please do let us know. For your safety, we have installed CCTV surveillance system. We have also police available and lots of volunteers. In spite of that, I would personally request you to take care of your safety, please. আপনাদের সুরক্ষা আমাদের একমাত্র দায়িত্ব এবং কর্তব্য, তাই আপনাদের অনুরোধ করছি আপনারা কিন্তু প্লিজ একটু আপনাদের সেফটি এবং সিকিউরিটি এই দুটোর ব্যাপারে নজর দেবেন। যদি কোনো অপ্রীতিকর বস্তু বা ব্যক্তির সম্মুখীন হন আপনারা তৎক্ষণাৎ আমাদের সাথে যোগাযোগ করবেন। আমাদের স্বেচ্ছাসেবক বা ভলেন্টিয়ার্সরা আমাদের সাথে রয়েছে। Thank you for your active participation and support during these last 6 days of Sarbojonin Durgotsav 2019. We are now going to start our today's program with a solo song performance by Neil. আর কিছুক্ষণে আমরা অনুরোধ করছি নীলকে মঞ্চে এসে সঙ্গীত পরিবেশন করার জন্য।
अगर चाहे ख्वाबों के तू मेरे टूटेंगे फिर भी होंगे ये तेरे। क्या ये इतना बड़ा काम है, ऐलान है। जब तक जामे सुबह जाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम दो। जब तक जहाँ में मेरा नाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू।
Ganguly, and all the other vice presidents to come onto the dais, please. I am not taking the name of each vice president of Bongio Sanskritik Sangh Secunderabad. I am requesting all our vice president, please come onto the dais. I would also request the president of Bongio Sanskritik Sangh Secunderabad, Sri Deepak Bhattacharya, the General Secretary, Sri Subroto Ganguly, to come onto the dais, please, sir. These are the leaders and the pillars of Bongio Sanskritik Sangh Secunderabad, and please give them a big round of applause. And the main person behind this entire Sarbojanin Durgotsav is none other than our beloved President Sri Deepak Bhattacharya and the General Secretary Sri Subroto Ganguly. They are working day and night since 8 months. Can you imagine? Since 8 months, they are just contacting people, they are designing the program, they are, contacting different personalities, ensuring your safety, security, housekeeping, hygiene, pest control, everything. So I think all these leadership members deserve a big round of applause from you. Now, I would...
On behalf of Bongio Sanskritik Sangh Secunderabad, in my capacity as the President, extend a very hearty welcome to the gracious audience before this auditorium and wonderful VVIPs who are adoring the front enclosure. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the 54th year of this celebration. We started this journey in the year 1965 and we have shifted to this Keys High School premises in the year 1967, and since then it is growing. Today we have a sizable population of Bengali speaking citizens, and it is almost 7.5 lakhs, and I am sure the entire 7.5 population, Bengali population of Hyderabad visits this pandal at least once during this 7 days celebration. Such a mammoth celebration may not be possible without the wonderful support extended by the members of the executive committee. Either it is the Bhog preparation committee, the special Bhog preparation committee of the ladies, the security committee, the finance committee, the cultural and entertainment committee, any other committee which are functional. Without their support, it will not be possible. Let us give a big round of applause to the entire members of the executive committee led by our Chief Executive Officer, Subroto Ganguly, as the General Secretary. I think that applause is not sufficient for the wonderful work, the voluntary work they are rendering for the cause of Sarbojanin Durgotsav 2019. Dear friends, we are also extremely grateful to our sponsors, advertisers, and particularly the administration. From the bottom of my heart, we thank the local police administration, more particularly the Gopalpuram police station, for extending all possible help. We are very safe under their guide and care and leadership. Dear friends, we are also extremely grateful to the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation who is helping us in maintaining the health and hygiene of the devotees who are visiting this pandal every year. Last but the least, ladies and gentlemen, it is you who make it possible. It is you who extend the fullest cooperation, and our members who graciously donate to make this event happen year and after. May I request all the members of the Bongio Sanskritik Sangh Secunderabad give a big round of applause to all the devotees and friends who have come forward to attend this event, and every year making this event a great event, a successful event. Dear friends, in this mammoth celebration, there can be some incident which may touch the heart of some people. I can promise you that such incidents or any action of hurt is definitely not intentional. If there are some good work, appreciation, let us give a big round of applause to the executive committee. But if there are any black bats, I as the president, I take on my head and tender apology. Dear friends, I am so grateful today to the wonderful, the distinguished guests who have come forward to participate in the Papan's Night. And first, as per the protocol, may I have the privilege of requesting Mr. Firoz Ahmed to kindly escort Sri B.P. Acharya, Special Chief Secretary and the Director General of Mari Chenna Reddy Institute of Human Resource Development to the dais. Let me have the privilege of honoring him on behalf of Bongio Sanskriti Sangho, Secunderabad. B.P. Acharya. May I request the General Secretary to kindly present the memento and the Cultural Secretary and any of the Vice President to present the full and good. A round of applause for Sri B.P. Acharya, Special Chief Secretary of Government of Telangana and the Director General of the Mari Chenna Reddy Institute for Human Resource Development. Thank you for your gracious presence, sir. He says it's a homecoming. Yes, definitely homecoming because he has visited this pandal many times, at least half a decade before and again a decade before. A round of applause, please, Sri Santosh Mehra, the Additional Director General of Police. Thank you for your gracious presence. We are really honored. Another person who always extend a wonderful helping hand to us and always in cheerful mood encourages us to celebrate this puja in its true perspective, in other than our own Sri Jayesh Ranjan IAS, the Principal Secretary to the Government of Telangana. আপনার প্রেজেন্সে আমরা অভিভূত। We always bow our head with respect for the wonderful work you are doing for the cause of culture and for the propagation of various activities of the state of Telangana, and you are really a true son of the state of Telangana. May I have the privilege of extending this honor on behalf of all of you and on behalf of Bongio Sanskriti Sangho Secunderabad. A big round of applause, Sri Jayesh Ranjan, Principal Secretary to the Government, State of Telangana. We are so privileged to have the gracious presence of another very eminent personality, always a smiling face and made a name. In fact, when she was the collector of Warangal, I organized a mammoth health camp with his gracious help, where 10,000 people had attended the camp. May I have the privilege of requesting any of our members, Firoz Ahmed, to kindly escort Srimati Soumya Misra IPS, Additional Director General of Police, Government of Telangana, to the dais. We are really honored and privileged. The amount of encouragement she gives us in celebrating this puja in its new perspective, it touches our heart. A round of big applause for Srimati Soumya Misra IPS. Thank you, ma'am, for coming and gracing this occasion. May Goddess Durga shower all the blessings on you and keep you always blessed. Thank Goddess Durga. Thank you so much. We are really privileged to have a first Bengali officer coming as the president of the Secunderabad Cantonment Board and adoring the position of the Deputy General Officer Commanding of the Telangana and Andhra Sub-area, none other than our own Brigadier Abhijit Chandra. May I request him to kindly come onto the dais, please. He was with us right from 2nd of October, and we are really honored with his gracious presence. Thank you for joining us and making our celebration so eventful. A round of big applause for Brigadier Abhijit Chandra, the Deputy General Officer Commanding Telangana and Andhra Sub-area and the President of the Secunderabad Cantonment Board. Thank you for gracing this occasion. We have with us Sri Rahul Bharadwaj, the Executive Director of the Indian Oil Corporation. We are so privileged to have him on the dais today, a very eminent personality doing excellent work in the field of the corporate social responsibility. Let us give a big round of applause to Sri Rahul Bharadwaj, the Executive Director of Indian Oil Corporation, for gracing this occasion. A round of big applause to Rahul Bharadwaj for the excellent help he has extended to perform our puja in his true color and perspective. Thank you so much. Now comes our own personality, a dynamic personality who sponsors our program year after year. A eminent personality from the Kendriya Vidyalaya, Trimalgiri, and I am luckily also a student of the same school. May I have the privilege of requesting Praveen Nedungadi, the CEO and Director of Incredible India Private Limited, to come onto the dais. He is the major sponsor of Papad Night. उनके लिए तो जोर से ताली बजाना चाहिए आपको. একটা জোরে ताली हो जाए for our Praveen. Thank you, Praveen ji. So nice of you to grace this occasion. May I have the privilege of requesting the Bhagesh Dixit, the Managing Director of Alpala India Limited, to come onto the dais, please. Dixit ji, I'm meeting you for quite some time, but really, whenever I meet you, it's a vibration. Thank you for gracing this occasion and also extending our puja in its true perspective. Let me have the privilege of extending this honor on behalf of Bongyo Sanskrit Sangha to you. Yuva Sanskrit Sangha Secunderabad has taken up many social activities, more particularly in the district of Adilabad, and now it is Asifabad district, where there is around 50,000 refugee Bengali population, and the person who is really helping us is none other than Lion Prabhakaran Mohan, the district governor of Lions Club International, District T20B. May I request you to kindly come on to the dais, because with the Association of Lions Club International, we are extending the facilities to the citizen of each gaon. We have put up a RO water plant. We have distributed almost 2,000 saris. We have given almost 2,000 blankets to the poor people of those villages, about 14 villages. May I have the privilege of recognize these wonderful efforts you have put on behalf of Lions Club International. Lion Prabhakaran Mohan. Let us give a big round of applause to him. A round of applause to P. Mohan for the wonderful service he is rendering as the district governor for the cause of the society and downtrodden. Another major sponsor who always extend help whenever we need is none other than Sri Mahendra Agarwal, of the Managing Director of Gati Limited. If you are among the audience, may I request him to kindly come on to the dais. Sri Mahendra. May I have the gracious presence of Sri Shantanu Mukherjee, the former Managing Director of State Bank of Hyderabad. He is another person, whenever you approach him, he extends his gracious hand to help us. If he is here, may I have his gracious presence on the dais. A good friend of mine and namesake, Sri Deepak Bhattacharya, who is the Chief Protocol Officer of the Raj Bhavan. May I request to come onto the dais, please. We are also expecting Sri V.K. Singh, the Additional Director General of Police. If he has already come, may I request him to kindly please come onto the dais. So much for giving us this opportunity to extend felicitation to the very eminent members of the society holding a responsible position in the government and in the body corporates. And let us once again congratulate our executive committee led by our General Secretary Subhadra Ganguly for doing so wonderfully well, managing these affairs in its true perspective. 2019 will be an event which will be definitely remembered in the days to come. And tomorrow is the last day, Vijayadashami. So in advance, I wish all of you happy Vijayadashami and happy Dashara. May the God shower the choicest blessings on all of you and keep you blessed in all your endeavors. And also your family members should be also be blessed by the goddess Durga. আর আজ এখান থেকে বিদায় নেবার আগে একবার একটা জোরে হয়ে যাক, এই স্পিরিটেই আমরা আবার আসছে বছর এইভাবেই দুর্গাপূজা করব, এই মঞ্চ থেকে আবার আপনাকে অ্যাড্রেস করব আপনাদের সবাইকে। আপনারা সবাই ভালো থাকুন। লাস্ট আমার সাথে গলা জড়িয়ে বলুন, আসছে বছর, আসছে বছর, আসছে বছর, দুর্গা মাই কি, দুর্গা মাই কি, দুর্গা মাই কি। অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ লেডিজ এন্ড জেন্টলম্যান।
Thank you very much, Deepak Da, Sri Deepak Bhattacharya, Sri Shubhrata Ganguly, and other dignitaries of the dais. Let's start our next program. As you know, it is impossible to organize a mammoth program without the support of the sponsors. So we would like to recognize our sponsors, and I would request Mr. Abhijit Bhattacharya to take this proceeding further.
Thank you, Shashwata. Good evening, namaskar, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This time it is a very challenging year for us. There's an economic slowdown, and we had to struggle hard to raise this kind of funds, and a real challenge. And me and my team has really worked very hard. I request my team member. One person is found, Sanjay Kumar Suman. Your wallet is with us. Please collect it from Mr. Paul. Yeah, it's a wallet for Mr. Suman. Please come and collect it from our reception. Mr. Paul will submit it to the reception. Well, this time, can I call my team members, Mr. Biraj Das and RJ Gupta. Please come to the stage. You have been really working hard. As you know, our food court is one of the USP of our Pujo, and we really struggle. We really work very hard. At the back end, there are so many people working for us, and it's basically teamwork. And you find the best of the brands coming in, and we try to bring the puja to the next level every time. It has been our always very sincere efforts. I request them to please come to the stage. Now, as you know, Biraj Das, can I have a round of applause for Biraj Das and RJ Gupta? Where are you? Well, as you know, to raise the level, we always give prizes. We give prizes to the corporate stalls, to the food stalls, and we have the jury chairman, Dr. Dey. Dr. Dey always goes into all the niceties, all the technical details about the display, about the product and the quality. And I'll give the mic to Dr. Dey. He will explain to you and what are the parameters based on which. Yeah, so real challenge is every time the food stall, because everybody is trying to put in their best efforts to give you the best food, best quality food, best presentation, and we have a real challenge. As you say, Navami and Ashtami, Navami, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, the footfalls are really very high, and it is a real challenge. And Dr. Dey and his team goes critically evaluates every stall, and finally he will declare the prizes in a moment from now. And let me tell you, it's again teamwork, and we have really worked very hard, and this was a very challenging year for us. Over to Dr. Dey.
Hello, good evening. As each one of us on the stage mentioned, that it is the sponsors who keep this mega event alive, this largest Durga Puja of the southern India. And in the event of organizing this thing, some mistakes can happen, and I thank the members who has given us feedback about something right, something wrong, and something was not right in food sport, etc., etc. But same time, we try to keep our standard very high. And I'm so happy and so excited to mention that this year we have, in spite of all the recession or whatever the economic crisis, we have really got fantastic support from unique corporate companies and food companies. So I'm so proud to announce the prizes today. and there are two categories: corporate stalls as well as food. And for the corporate stall, this we know Hyderabad in the name of that company. Hyderabad means biryani. Hyderabad means paradise. Paradise is owned by the Persis Group. So the Persis Bakery is the winner of the corporate stall. May I invite them? Representative from the Persis Bakery.
చెప్పినా నేను రేపు 2 పూజలు నేను చేస్తాను. హలో
Okay. The next one is another, for the first time, this is the era of youth, this is the era of speed. And thanks to Mr. Gupta, who has been able to contact the KTM, the lifestyle motorcycle of generations. So KTM is the winner of the runners-up prizes of corporate stall. May I request the representative from the KTM? If they are not coming, maybe we'll be going to the stall and hand it over to them. Okay. Then for the food category, you know, there are many new faces, and it was really difficult for us, those who stay here till 1 o'clock in the morning to have the food. This year, so many varieties, being vegetarian and non-vegetarian. So I would like to announce the winner of the food stall, Risen 9. May I request the representative from the Risen 9, if he or she is there. Oh, Kacha. Yes. Good name? A round of applause for the Paradise. Very good, you enjoyed food, huh? Try to maintain the standard, and we want you to come next step. First. May I request Mr. Saswata Ray, our cultural secretary, or maybe Shashwat is there? The next one is bamboo chicken and fish. Bamboo chicken is also one of the unique food item of Andhra. I hope she's coming, yeah. Congratulations. A big round of applause for her. We felt it's important also to recognize some of the stall owners who have been able to maintain standards year after year, and that we thought of rewarding 2 more stall owners breaking the protocol. The third one is King Prawn. May I request the representative from King Prawn here?
You don't need that. You have the body pass.
So, how is everything going on? May I request President Mr. Deepak Bhattacharya? Yes. Three cheers. volunteers, a big round of applause. The last one is the representative from Bade Mian. Yeah, please, I. First time has come. Oh, very good. कैसा रहा सिनेमा? ठीक है.
Well, I will quickly come back to felicitating the sponsors, because without the sponsors we can't move ahead in terms of mobilizing the funds. Well, we have already honored Mr. Praveen Nadangudi of Incredible India. Thank you, Praveen, for really making it happen. And big round of applause for Praveen Nadangudi. Telangana Tourism is always with us. So, Mr. Burra Venkateshan always been supporting us, and this time, in spite of so much of difficulty, so much of budget constraints, Telangana Tourism is supporting us, supporting our puja. Thank you so much, Mr. Venkatesham. Mr. Parth Biswas from Act 500, are you here? Please come on to the dais. Mr. Parth from Act 500, are you here? Mr. Park. Anyone from Act 500? Act 500 has been associating with our puja last 3-4 years. Mr. Park, if you are here, please come down. Mr. Pramod is here. I request our president to please felicitate him with a shawl. And Mr. Subrata Ganguly, our General Secretary, please come. We expected Mr. Park today. Anyway, thanks for coming. Thanks for supporting such a mammoth event. Thank you so much. Mr. Arnab Nandan is not there. Can I request his father to please come on to the dais from Tata Motors. They have always been supporting our efforts towards making this event a grand success. Nandanda, are you here? Please come down. Shaumin Chakraborty is already, we have mentioned, the CFO of Dr. Reddy's Lab because of his help and efforts. We are always getting sponsorship, and he is always coming forward to help us. Thank you, Shobhenda. We have Fortune Adani Wilbur again coming back. So you can see Fortune Adani Wilbur stall here. They're also coming. In spite of all the budget constraints, they have participated with us, and they are going to continue with us. Maruti Motors, you can see Maruti Motors is also supporting us. Shalimar Oils, they are all big spenders for our pujo. Hyundai Motors, Mr. Mithun Datta, are you here? Hyundai Motors, Mithun, please come. Can I request our President to please honor Hyundai Mr. Mithun Datta. Request your President to please honor Mr. Mithun Datta with the shawl. And Viraj, please present him with a bouquet. Anybody from the Park Hotel has been our hospitality partner. Anybody from the Park, can you please come over? 94.3, Fever 94.3, Ashish Chakrabarti, please come onto the dais. You've always been a support to us. Last 1 month, they have been running our campaign. So our puja is quite popular with Fever channel. Well, Ashish, please. Round of applause for Ashish because 94.3 is really making our puja very happening. Thank you, Ashish, for really making our puja so happening. Thank you so much. We have a special guest, Mr. Raunak Yar Khan, grandson of Nizam. May I please ask you to please come and ask our Mr. Tamaldhar to honor him. I request President to honor him with a shawl and Mr. Tamaldhar with a bouquet of flowers. सकड़े है शुभ है तो आया है
Legacy matters and is the pride of our city of Hyderabad. Raunak Yar Khan, the grandson of the Nizam of Hyderabad.
Thank you. If I missed out any name, please forgive me because there are so many people who have actually supported in terms of the resources, and thank everybody for making this event a grand success. Over to Shashwato Roy.
Thank you very much, Mr. Avijit Bhattacharya. As a cultural secretary, I would like to thank all of you for your active participation and support to make this program a grand success. It would be imperative if I don't call upon all my cultural committee members who have been working since many months to ensure that the program goes well and it meets all your expectations. To recognize them, I would like to call our cultural committee members Badal, Raja Dash, H. Moitro, Manik Dash, Habu, Debu, Raja Ganguly, Laltu, Shayon, Gaurav, Anirban, Sangam, Dr. D.K. De, Sri Shunit Roy.
Cultural program since 2nd of October. If you are really impressed you, entertained you, this is our cultural team. Let's give a big round of applause to our cultural team for looking after all the events from morning and evening in its true color and perspective. Thank you. One more round of good applause for them.
Thank you very much.